All right, here's a cool free tool. I'm going to check out how it works. You can get 3 free days of social media posts in 30 seconds by entering your website. So let's check it out. We'll try it. Putting my website in here and seeing what it pulls up as far as content goes. And of course, you can also do this with whatever company you're working with. If you have a specific website link for that company, it will analyze the data and then give you corresponding images. Okay, let's see what it came up with. Nice. Oh, I love this. And of course, you can adjust the text to suit your specific business, but this is great. It's really quick, and I could definitely use these. These images are well formulated. So if you want to dive further into this, you can just go here and create a free account. That's what I'm going to do. And I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you use it for your business. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.